How to cancel Telegram Premium subscription. Thinking of canceling Telegram Premium? Here's the complete guide to stop your subscription safely and avoid extra charges. So on Android, open the Google Play Store and then go ahead and click on your profile, which you'd basically find at the top right of your screen. Now from here, select payments and subscription and then select subscriptions and then go ahead and look for your Telegram subscription from here. So once you find it, go ahead and click on Telegram. And then from there, you should find the cancel membership or cancel subscription button. So confirm it and you'll receive a confirmation email or an app notification. Premium features remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Then your account reverts to the free tier. Always check your billing source, Google Play, App Store, or Telegram web. Refunds are generally not provided for unused time, so cancel before renewal.